So, making money is one of the most essential activities that every person should aim to do. And it is important to have a source of income that supports one's needs and aspirations. While there are many ways to make money, there are four primary ways to do so. The first one is trading time for money, trading information for money, giving product or service for money, or putting something to work for money. In this detailed explanation video, we will explore each of these ways of making money and the advantages and disadvantages of each approach. So let's start. First one is trading time for money. The most common way of making money is by trading time for money in today's world. This approach is prevalent in traditional employment where people get paid based on the numbers of hours they work. This approach is not wrong and it is better than doing nothing. However, the main problem with this trading time for money system is that you only have a limited amount of time. It is difficult for you to get rich if you only rely on this approach because you cannot work 24 hours a day. You need to sleep, eat, and do other things too, which limits the amount of money that you can make in a day. So, moreover, the amount of money that you can earn is also dependent on the value of your time. If you are into a low paying job, you may have to work long hours to make a decent living. However, if you are in a high paying job, you can make a significant amount of money by working fewer hours. The key to making money by trading time for money is to find a job that pays well and offers opportunities for growth and advancements, which is really hard in today's world because of the competition and the population that is increasing day by day. So, the second way to making money is trading information for money. The good thing about trading information for money is that your time is not explicitly linked to the money that you make. For instance, you can write a book or create a video and sell it multiple times. If the information you provide is useful to people, you can make a lot of money. Just like I am sharing this information to make money right now. Information is valuable and we live in the age of information. The most important thing in today's world are information and attention. These are the only two things that matter in today's world if you want to make a lot of money. If you can get attention and have valuable information that you can give, you will be rich. Moreover, the internet has made it really easier for us to even trade information for money in today's world. You can create a blog post, you can create a podcast or a YouTube channel and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships or selling products or services. The key to making money by trading information for money is to provide value to your audience. You need to create content that people find useful, entertaining, or at least inspiring. You also need to be consistent on your content creation and build an audience that trusts you and is willing to pay for your product or service. Which takes us to the third way of making money, giving a product or service for money. Most of the businesses provide a product or service for money, which is how the world works basically. That is how big corporations and companies are making money. They either provide a product or service. The key difference here between the approach of trading information for money and trading product or service for money is you're not selling information here. You're selling a product or service. For instance, if you can fix car, you are selling the service of fixing car, not the information on how to fix car. This approach is simple and effective, guys, but it is challenging to scale beyond a certain point because in the modern world, the most products and services are monopolized and it is challenging to compete with these big players. And additionally, providing a service is still linked to your time, so it can be challenging to make a lot of money with this approach. However, providing a service or product is a viable way to making a lot of money if you can find a niche that is not overcrowded and has also a high demand. For instance, if you can create unique product that solves a specific problem, you can make a lot of money out of it. The key to making money by giving a product and service is to find a market that is willing to pay for your product and service and provide value that sets apart from the other competitors. Now, the last and the most important way of making money is putting something to work for money. This approach involves investing in assets such as stocks, real estate, and businesses that generate passive income for you. The advantage of this approach is that you can make money without actively working on it. Once you invest in an asset that generates income for you, you can sit back and let the money come in. This approach is also scalable and you can increase your income by investing in more assets. However, the downside of this approach is that it requires a significant upfront investment and carries a high level of risk. The value of the assets that you are investing in can go down and you can lose all of your money. Moreover, it requires knowledge and expertise to invest in assets that can generate a significant return on investment. The key to making money by putting something to work is to diversify your investment. So, in conclusion, each of these 4 ways of making money has its advantages and disadvantages too. And to succeed in making money, you need to find an approach that works best for you and aligns with your goals and values. It is also important to be patient, persistent, hardworking, and willing to take calculated risk to achieve your financial freedom. What are your thoughts about this video? If you want more information and more content related to business, wealth, power, and self improvement, then definitely subscribe to my newsletter by putting your email address in the Google form down below, which is linked in the pinned comment down below and also in the description box below. Definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.